Want to buy Bitcoin gift cards instantly? Here's the fastest, safest way to do it, step by step. First, pick a reputable provider. Think major gift card marketplaces or exchanges that sell crypto gift cards like Bitterfill, MoonPay gift options, or Crypto Voucher. Avoid random sellers. Second, create an account and verify it if required. Most platforms will let you buy small gift cards without full KYC, but verification speeds up higher value, and it will protect you if something goes wrong. Third, choose the gift card denomination and payment method. Pay with card, Apple, Google Pay, or even PayPal for instant processing. That's what makes it instant. Some providers also accept stablecoins for direct crypto native purchases. Fourth, confirm the delivery method. Most services will email you a code or give you an on-screen voucher immediately. Copy it straight away. If it's a physical card option, pick instant e-gift delivery to avoid delays. Fifth, redeem the code. Follow the provider's redemption steps. Some let you convert the gift card directly into Bitcoin into your wallet. Others require you to redeem or a partner exchange. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.